So I recently picked up this 1994 fish and ski boat. I've had one of these before. It wasn't as decked out as this one has been. It needs a little bit of cleanup, but it's got great bones. All the expensive stuff has been taken care of. This right here has spot lock. We've got our graphs, our Garmin's right there. We also have a newer stereo system with Bluetooth. We have a 200 horsepower Mercury Optimax that only has about 200 to 300 hours on it from what the previous owner was saying. And then a Mercury 9.9 kicker. Like I was saying, this is a fish and ski model, so it looks like the previous owner changed this from a seating area to a storage area, and then also laid down this material right here. If you kind of see around, you can see that there's a lot of seams. It just doesn't look like it was the best of jobs. I think it could be a little bit better, so I think what I'm gonna do is start out with replacing the carpet. I'm also going to remove this extra storage locker, and I'm gonna make this 3 seats right here. The reason is because I think that you're just really minimized to the amount of fishing that you can do with this, with just it being 2 seats on board. Also, when this was repowered, you can see that all of the previous gauges are right there. So I actually bought a system for the Mercury, and what it does is it sends all of the information from the motor to the Garmin graph through a networking system. And then I'm probably going to move the graph somewhere else in that general area, get rid of all of the non-functioning gauges, get rid of all of the rocker switches, consolidate it all, clean up some of that electrical work. It looks like he used basically like some house electrical wiring to get some of this stuff done. So it's a good project, but like I said, this boat has great bones. The previous owner absolutely fished the heck out of it. I've followed his YouTube channel, and he's definitely quite the fisherman. But I'm gonna fix this. We'll see. Potentially this may be a situation where I fix it and then sell it just to keep upgrading as I go down. So I think the happiest day that somebody gets a boat is the day that they buy it, and then also the day that they sell it. So I think that I enjoy that just as much as fishing. But these graphs are really nice. They also have down scope with the live scope. I mean, as far as the fishing equipment, this is top of the line, top-notch stuff. So I think with just a little bit of elbow grease, I think that we can get this thing looking pretty decent.